Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng property na pwedeng pang-investment? Isa sa magandang options pagdating sa investments ay ang real estate. Dahil ito ay nag-appreciate ang value gustuhin mo man o hindi. Maaring magbigay ito sa iyo ng cash flow, maaring iparenta, Airbnb, o ipamana sa mga anak. Josefina Village ay isang premier subdivision na Central Pangasinan, matatagpuan sa Barangay Coliling, San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Offers residential lots and also commercial lots. Built your dream house and also built your commercial building. With following amenities, gate within guardhouse, multi-purpose center, ongoing constructions ang mga sumusunod, swimming pool, parks and playground, wide road network, perimeter fence, waterway, with commercial lot area, accessible to basic services like hospitals, school and colleges, police and fire department, malls, barangay halls, and many other services. Ready na rin po ang electric line, internet line, maganda ang data signal, water line, drainage system, mataas ang elevation ng lupa, walang history ng pagbaha, pantay na rin ang lupa, kaya no need patambakan, halos ready na lahat. Ikaw na lang ang hinihintay. Sa mga client namin na naka-avail na ng property, mayroon kaming magaling na architect na pwedeng mag-design ng inyong dream house. Along the National Highway going to Manila. For inquiries, you may contact our accredited real estate agent, 0936505337. Site visit anytime. Online reservation. Minimum lot area is 64 square meter. Lot price per square meter is 7,000 pesos for inner lot, 7,500 pesos for corner lot. Reservation fee of 5,000. Down payment of 30% from the TCP. This is deductible sa inyong TCP. The best time to invest is now. Hindi mo namamalayan, 1 or 2 years may matatawag ka ng sariling property. Kaya mag-invest ka na sa titulado at sigurado. Mag-invest ka rin lang, beat the price increase.